They're using plastic nowadays to make most everything, from mother's set of chinaware to the baby's teeth and ring. You understand that it won't break, and I believe I'm smart in thinking that it might pay me to have a plastic pot. It seems you're getting careless lately, and I'm on the spot. You're carrying my heart around, I'm scared